Good morning, dear students. This is your teacher Neelam Helawat, and we are doing the chapter Microbial World. This is our lecture number 3, dear students. In the previous module, we have talked about the different types of microorganisms. I hope you remember. Yes. So we have covered till here that there are 5 categories of microorganisms. One is bacteria. Second is fungi, third is protozoa, fourth is algae, and fifth is viruses. And so far we have talked about the characteristics of bacteria. Now in this particular module, we'll be talking about the algae. Okay, algae, right? We'll be talking about the second category of microorganisms, that is algae. Now, algae basically, dear students, algae is a plural word. It's a plural word, and the singular word is alga. Okay, what is the singular word? Alga. So, algae basically, this class of microorganisms, they are very, very simple. Okay, these are simple. And they are plant-like organisms. What they are? They are plant-like organisms. Okay, dear students? They are plant-like organisms. Means they are living organisms, but they look like as they are plants. The second very important characteristic is that they have cell walls. Okay? First, they are plant-like. Second, they have cell walls. Okay, and where is cell wall present? I hope you remember. Cell wall is also present in the plants. So like the plants, they also have cell walls. Now as the plants contain chlorophyll, algae also contains chlorophyll. And what is the purpose of chlorophyll, everyone? Tell me. Yes, chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. Okay, chlorophyll is basically a pigment. Okay, it is a pigment that helps in trapping the sunlight, that helps in absorbing the sunlight, and with the help of sunlight, the plants or the algae, they carry out the process of photosynthesis, right? So algae basically can prepare its food with the help of photosynthesis. So we have noted very important characteristics. First, they are plant-like organisms. Second, they have cell walls. Third, they contain chlorophyll. And fourth, they prepare their own food with the help of photosynthesis. Okay, everyone? They prepare their food with the help of photosynthesis, right? Let's come back to the same slide. Now, apart from this, algae, it can live in colonies or it can be filamentous. Okay, इसका जो structure है बेटा, वो filamentous हो सकता है and it can exist in groups. Now, just look at this. There it existing in groups. Colonies है यहाँ पर volvox की colonies है. This is basically an example, volvox. Okay, where you can see that the algae is existing in groups. It is forming colonies. While the first picture shows the Spirogyra, where this algae has a filamentous structure. You can see it consists of certain filaments. Okay, it consists of certain filaments, and most importantly, these algae, these organisms, they are mostly aquatic. Means they are found in water. ये आपको पानी में मिलते हैं. And the two famous examples that we have discussed is, one is volvox, another is Spirogyra. Okay? I hope you understood. Right. Now apart from this, as I told you, as just now we have discussed, they are mostly aquatic. That means they grow in moist places. जहाँ कहीं भी algae moisture present होगा, algae को moisture मिलेगा, वो वहाँ पर grow हो जाएगी. It can be soil, it can be a moist soil, it can be the rock surfaces, like, okay, the surface of the rocks which are present near the waterfall. It can be on the barks of the tree, right? Near the rivers, lakes, ponds, hot springs. So wherever moisture is present, you will find that algae is growing on that places. Now some of the algae, dear students, they may be unicellular. Unicellular means made up of single cell, just like the Chlamydomonas. Okay, like the Chlamydomonas. And some of them, they are multicellular. Just now, as we've discussed in case of Volvox, it is multicellular. Okay, so we can group depending upon the number of cells present in the algae into two categories. हम algae को दो categories में divide कर सकते हैं depending upon the number of cells. One is microalgae. Another is macroalgae. Macroalgae. So microalgae, dear students, is unicellular, while the macroalgae, it is multicellular. Okay, so we have two types of algae depending upon the number of cells present. One is microalgae, another is macroalgae. Microalgae is unicellular, while macroalgae is multicellular. Okay, I hope you understood, dear students. Okay, and I've just discussed two examples. One is Spirogyra, which is a filamentous algae, and the second was Volvox, which exists in colonies, right? Have you understood? Okay, now let's come to the wonder box now. See, why we are studying about them. See, algae basically, there is an alga known as giant brown algae. Okay, giant brown alga. This is also called as kelp, and it looks like a plant. It exactly looks like a plant. Okay, dear students, giant brown algae, which is also called as kelp, it is also found in water. That means it is aquatic. Okay, and from this alga, there is one substance which is extracted, which is called as alginic acid. What do we extract from this algae? Alginic acid, and this particular substance is used in making ice creams. हम ice creams खाते हैं ना बेटा? So ice creams के अंदर एक substance use होता है which is called as alginic acid, and this acid is extracted, is obtained from the giant brown alga which is called as kelp. Okay, so this was a wonder, isn't it? You didn't knew this? Yes. I hope you've understood everything. Okay, so let's come to your homework for today. First of all, you'll be completing the notes in your notebook, and you will just read the page numbers 23 to 24. And if there is any query, any doubt you have, you will share your queries and doubts with me. Okay? You will share your query, and if there is any doubt, you will share it with me. Right? Yes, and I'll be sharing your assignments with you in the Google Classroom. You can complete your assignments from there, right? Okay, bye everyone.